Hi, I am Noah from Hey On Made. novaOS is a cost-effective project management system designed specifically to cater to freelancers, agencies, and businesses. If you're looking to elevate your business's productivity and organization using Notion, then novaOS is the perfect solution. Without any delay, let's dive right into the tour of the template. This is the dashboard you'll see when you first enter novaOS. Starting from the left side, the shortcuts provide convenient buttons for effortlessly adding initiatives. With a simple tap, you can swiftly include tasks, projects, or leads into the database. This feature is particularly beneficial when using your mobile device on the go. After adding an initiative to the database, the tasks or projects will be reflected in this space. Here, you can conveniently view the upcoming, ongoing, and completed initiatives. This feature can greatly assist you in keeping track of your team's progress and managing your workload effectively. Moving down, these sections displays your tasks and projects, offering a comprehensive perspective on your ongoing and upcoming initiatives. You can also toggle into weekly, monthly, or timeline view as well. And finally, here is a list view of your team's current initiatives. You can conveniently view your team's daily agenda and provide assistance whenever they require it. On this page, you'll find features similar to the main dashboard. You can conveniently check work schedule through weekly and monthly views, as well as track your upcoming and ongoing initiatives. The completed projects section allows you to keep track of all your finished projects. It serves as a reference in case your clients require any modifications, enabling you to monitor them conveniently. Once the amendment period concludes, you have the option to mark the projects as archived, moving them to the archive section. It is up to you whether to retain or delete them from this section. For project-based businesses like web design or social media marketing, a reliable and easy-to-use CRM system is essential for easy tracking of potential and current clients. In the CRM page, you can leverage the sales pipeline features to efficiently track potential clients. Additionally, you can store client and company directories to capitalize on future opportunities. This page serves as a hub for maintaining contact information for your team, as well as industry connections. Industry friends are reliable individuals or businesses that can be relied upon for project outsourcing. By keeping their contacts on this page, you can easily access and reach out to them whenever assistance is needed. The finance page acts as a repository for storing crucial financial information and tracking the cash flow of the company. In the first section, you can store an overview of your business banking information and set up reminders for important financial tasks. In the second and third sections, you can conveniently view and manage your monthly income and expenses. These monthly trackers helps you effectively monitor and analyze your financial inflows and outflows, enabling better financial management and decision-making. Next, the fourth section, the subscription tracker. This allows you to track the services you have subscribed to for your business. It enables you to monitor renewal dates and keep track of when you may want to end a subscription. In the final section, you have the option to link your important financial documents stored in your Google Drive for easy access. And on the right side, you can find the backup version of the aforementioned trackers. For optimal security, if you're using novaOS with a team, it is recommended to store the finance page in your private Notion space. Simply drag and drop it into your private workspace and add trusted accountants if needed. This prevents accidental leaks of financial information. This page allows you to generate and track invoices. By using the Invoice button, you can add in your customized invoice and export as PDF to send over to your clients. Once sent, you can easily drag it into the invoice tracking database. This helps mitigate late or missed payments from clients, ensuring better payment accountability. The resource page serves as a centralized repository for storing valuable links and documents relevant to your business. This page ensures that team members can easily locate and reference important resources, fostering collaboration and efficient knowledge sharing. novaOS is an affordable solution that offers lifetime updates based on community feedback. Say goodbye to expensive monthly project management subscriptions. Get it today.